DConnect is a service for the remote control and management of systems that simplifies routine work, improves customer satisfaction, and suggests new sales models. The new activities and events sections. To never miss a deadline, there is the calendar of activities. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or expiring contracts, this page automatically collects all the next activities to be carried out in order to facilitate work planning. It is a management repository to plan and organize your activities and always have a ready answer for your customers. This means a prompt and perfect service, efficient organization of your work, a significant reduction in wasted time and money. A tip: by crossing the maintenance calendar with the map of the installations in the area, it is really easy to optimize the road and the time spent traveling. Furthermore, DConnect, thanks to the system event page, keeps track of everything that happens to each installed machine. It is always possible to know who did what and when.